hope you're proud of yourself.
Thank you.
Like, the journey's been a long one.
It's crazy.
It's great.
Oh.
I'm getting choked up. I don't know why. Yeah, seriously. Do you hear any, like, drama? Maybe we should start some.
Yes.
There is?
Remember, you don't block somebody, and then she called me, and then she said, you blocked somebody, Miss GLAM. Hey guys, it's PatrickStarrr. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have the one, the only GLAM.
I love you! I'm so happy to be here!
Oh my gosh, you may know this bitch from another app called TikTok.
Oh my god.
And we've met once upon a time and we've just kept in touch, and I'm very proud of my Filipino sister for killing it on social media in the beauty industry. And I thought I could snatch her ass and bring her onto YouTube for a day.
Sponsored by one. I'm kidding. No, it's not. No, it's not.
But yes, you told me you were flying in.
Yeah.
And no luggage.
No luggage. I need the makeup.
I just so happen to have
everything my heart desires.
Funny enough, you said, do you want to go to a beauty event with me? And I was like, am I allowed?
Yeah. You're allowed. You're the OG.
Okay, we can shout them out. We're going to
shout out to Urban Decay.
Hey. So crazy because I was like, oh, just keep it a surprise. And then she was like, oh, I told them. And
oh yeah, because I'm professional.
Right.
No surprise here. Don't you love a good beauty hack?
I'm stuck in my ways.
I love changing my makeup. I'm not like,
I don't know, I just have to stick to my thing. I think that's why it's hard for me to do reviews. I just do looks. I'm more of like a look queen.
Oh my God.
But yeah, we love your content. You've gone viral with us a few times.
oh my gosh. Turn up the base powder. The best. It's actually really
Oh my
good.
God, stop.
This was a great powder. I love that it blew up.
Well, thank you. So let's just start off with the tea.
Oh, give it to them. Give it to me
So
first.
you've been stitched hella by millions, no, thousands of beauty creators because you said.
What did I say again?
Pull it the fuck up.
What did I say? These days I say so many things, I forgot what I said.
Why is there a big divide between the beauty content creator and the pro makeup artist?
Why?
Stitch this.
Why is there a big divide between them?
I can't answer.
What do you think?
I was genuinely thinking about it, and I was like, can I even answer? Because I feel like I do a little bit of both.
Yeah, same here.
Yeah.
But like, I feel like it's changed so. Hold on. Remember when you got kicked out of IMAX?
Oh my God.
Remind them, this was an iconic moment in history.
Yes. What the hell did you say? What the hell did she say? Wait, I'm gonna fucking spill all the fucking tea.
I was pissed.
I was like, do you want to do a YouTube Get Ready with me tomorrow and talk about the MBA versus influencer community? And she's like, that's interesting. Let's talk about how you got kicked out of IMAX. And I was so pissed because I only got a picture with Manny and I didn't even know him. I literally got a pic with your best friend and I was pissed.
No, I was pissed though.
And then she goes,
yeah, because I was pissed.
she pulled it up so fucking fast. I'm like, how?
Yeah, I was so freaking pissed. They kicked you out.
Did you see us inside? This looks like it's inside.
That was inside. This guy was going to the washroom or something. For real, I was actually pissed because I was on my lunch break. My Filipino ass was going out to see you.
Aww.
And you were already gone.
That was very early then in our days.
It feels just like yesterday.
Really? Were you working at IMAX?
I was working at IMAX.
Well, can you tell the kids what IMAX is? Because I don't think anyone knows what IMAX is.
Oh, am I old? International Makeup Artist Trade Show. So it's a trade show kind of like Ipsy, kind of like BeautyCon, but it's all pro makeup artist brand.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And like they hated when beauty bloggers went to IMAX because lines, it would be a fire hazard. Wherever PatrickStarrr goes, there's a fire hazard.
No. It was crazy because that was like our first meet and greet, and this is like pre-management with me and Manny. So I organized the deal. We stayed at the Row Hotel. Manny actually got sick, and we were supposed to meet with Jacqueline for dinner that night because she was there with, you know, Linda and Jen Gerard and like
the good old days.
Makeup Geek. They were all like going to dinner and Mandy couldn't go, so that was just like a crazy time for us. It just seemed like it was yesterday.
But it's crazy how it's changed so much. So why is there a big divide between makeup artists and content creators? Is it money?
No.
Is it respect? After I did that video, so many people stitched it, and a lot of people said they were mad that people weren't getting PR that deserved it. So they felt like makeup artists who have clients should be the ones getting the 40 shades of foundation and not the beauty influencer who uses one shade. What do you think about that?
I mean, it all comes down to like the investment, because like a PR package with 40 shades can cost, you know, if it's
$1,000.
Yeah, $1,000. If it was like at cost of goods, maybe like $500, $600 plus shipping, plus like the personal care and the
$1,500.
Yeah, let's say it's $1,500. But if you're paying them, like, what would they actually get in return? Like, do they want to touch like, what is the goal? When these brands want to send to an influencer all these shades so they can promote the inclusivity, they can promote the products. But maybe as an idea, I might even do this. Like, we pair an influencer, send them, and then also send it to, they can pick a makeup artist and we can take care of the packaging to deliver it to a makeup artist of their choice that doesn't have the popularity. Because mainly the goal of like brands is to just get it known, and that's pretty much that. But you know, every little step costs money, and the goal of a business is to make profit.
Right, but they were also saying that makeup artists should be getting brand deals instead of beauty content creators or beauty influencers. What do you think about that?
It depends on like the spend and the expertise and the goal, you know? If you wanna buy, right? If you wanna buy a fucking Chanel bag like you do, you have fucking a million of them now. You want the bag to be a bag.
Maybe I shouldn't get those brand deals.
No, what I'm saying, like,
kidding.
if a brand wants to pay an influencer for a certain deal, like, what is their goal? Do they want more visibility on their product? And each brand is gonna be different. But imagine if you sent, let's say, 50 makeup artists, and each package, handling, shipping, insurance, whatever, costs maybe like, let's just say $1,000, right? That's $50,000 in PR that they'll have to, you know, hopefully make back.
But here's the thing. I think people don't realize that pro makeup artists and content creators have way different types of like brand deals. A content creator will have a one-off brand deal or a one-off partnership where they talk about a product that launches, but a makeup artist is a brand ambassador. They'll like sign.
And some are both.
Yeah.
Some are both.
But there's a big difference between influencer partnerships and pro partnerships.
That's very true. I think there's a big divide. It's because one group doesn't understand the experience of the other in totality. They just assume based on what they see. But if you have had that lived experience, then just like anything, you shouldn't talk about, you know, a certain thing if you don't actually live that experience.
And I think brands work with makeup artists differently. They might not get the brand deal, however, they'll do the campaign shoot. You know what I mean? Or they'll work fashion week. I think that's a big differentiator. Okay, what's the vibe? What am I feeling? I've got the skin on. Ooh, I'm sculpted. Okay, got a question for you. What brands do you think are doing it right now?
One size. I'm just kidding.
Yeah, but you are doing it right. Look at how much shades you have.
I'm just joking. I mean, I'm trying my best, but I put a lot of pressure on my team. It's a lot of money. We really work together, but I think no matter how happy or upset or frustrated I get, like, we all have the same goal.
Yeah.
We all have the same reason to exist.
There's so many. How many shades do you have?
There's 32 powder foundations, 24 concealers, 2 setting powders, 3 eyeliner liquids, 2 pens, 1 mascara.
Question.
18 BBBs.
How hard is it to make all those shades? Should brands just be doing it? Is it easy?
It is. It's hard. It's hard.
Okay, spill the tea. Why is it hard?
What tea? There's like so it depends on like the goal and the purpose of the brand. This was the tea that I wanted to spill. I don't know if I'll even keep this in the video, but
How are those brows looking? So
it's giving
good.
2022 and I'm giving 2016.
I still love a good sculpted brow. Oh, what's a makeup style that was way back when, you know, 2016, that you still do today?
Everything. I love it, but you know, I feel like my makeup style is like very adjacent to drag, if not exactly to drag. I love fucking caking my face. And then sometimes when people see me in person, they're like, oh,
you look so much prettier person.
I'm like, what the fuck do I look like online? What the hell?
No, you actually look the same in person and online.
Thank you.
Do I look the same in person and online?
Yes, you look this fucking same. But you just like serve skin. Your skin is so beautiful.
I freaking love skin.
In person, and you're so fast.
I thought you were gonna say you're so fat. I was gonna like, holy fuck.
Trauma. glam. No.
Oh my god.
Please. Now people are gonna cut it up and edit it into something and dub it. You see what Patrick called Glamzilla?
So fat.
No.
What's your go-to right now? Like, what's your go-to beauty hack right now?
I don't know if I have a beauty hack. Okay, well, this is a hard beauty hack to explain, like for full glam users, but I learned it from Makeup by Ariel. It's like I do all my makeup on my forehead and my eyes just like this, and then I don't have to touch this part of my nose. Normally it would just be the eyes, but I started including like the center of my forehead and the top bridge of my nose to be painted, so by the time I do it later, I can eventually connect my nose contour to my eyeshadow, because the eyeshadow part is a part of the nose bridge anyways, and this really gives the PatrickStarrr look, is contouring the nose. I think when it comes to like my...
Ariel taught you that.
Yeah.
I'm about to take off my whole face and do that.
No.
Seriously.
Yeah, I take kind of like a long time to do my makeup.
I could do my face 5 times. Seriously.
You're literally almost done.
Yeah, I really
Oh my god, I'm so sorry.
No,
Let's
because
do
I want
that.
to take it all off. I guarantee I can do 2
No.
faces before you finish
No,
one.
let me finish my eyes. And
No,
then...
I really hate this look. Are you happy?
Yes. Are you happy?
Yeah. Pick this or that, okay?
Okay.
Chocolate bar palette or naked palette? Original.
Naked.
Dip brow or brow wiz?
Brow wiz. Michaela or Meredith?
Oh, ooh. 2 different things. Oh.
I'm making a TikTok out of that one.
Damn.
There's no reasons. You just have to do a name, girl. Where's your
Michaela.
publicist?
Michaela.
Okay.
Because me and Meredith, we need to get to know each other more.
Okay. Subculture palette or Jones
Anything
Road?
but. Oh! I'll take subculture. I respect the hustle, man. Who's your favorite Kardashian?
Chris.
Is this a one size? It's already out?
Nope.
See? I'm like, what the hell?
Yeah,
Look at that. Brightening. Can we show them what it is?
Yeah.
All right, this is the first time I'm seeing it.
It's not gluten, so be careful.
It
Be
just
careful,
says
it's not gluten.
white.
Oh.
Okay, can I have some? See if there's any action here. Oh my gosh! Stop. Oh, look at the difference.
Yeah.
Oh, I like
that
this. Do another one. So Patrick took forever to get ready. Literally has a titty out right now. And oh yeah, it's giving. So this is my finished face. Kept it really simple. Just because I'm in LA, I'm trying to vibe out. Not all glam. But Patrick is glam. Let's see his finished look.
All right, everyone, we are dashing off to the Urban Decay party with 30 minutes to spare. Uber is literally waiting outside. Thank you so much, Glamzilla, for coming on my channel. We spilled the tea. Thank you for all the wisdom. And this was a very quick get ready with me, but I thought I would share my space and my socials with this very incredible talent. I love you and I thank you, and keep giving glam to all the world. And don't forget, makeup is a one size fits all, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.